this is Classy's Corner. Today I'm going to show you an ironing pad that I made to press my quilting blocks on. First, you will need a wooden base. I used a tray table which was broken. Now this one is not broken. This is from the set of tray tables that I made. I took out the screws and took the legs off. Then I took some batting and I put 4 pieces around it and added 2 pieces of muslin. I wrapped, I pulled, and I stapled using a heavy-duty stapler and staples. You can find old wooden trays at the thrift store. This was a set of 4 and 1 broke, and I took it apart to make my ironing pad, which is very soft. Very soft. Also, I noticed that when I wrapped the batting and the muslin around it, you see how much larger the ironing pad is when wrapped? It looks like it just expanded from the wrapping and thickness of it. It's much larger than the tray. It doesn't seem like it's the same tray, but it is the same tray table. Okay, I'm gonna have fun with this pad. Quilting pieces ready to sew together. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Classy's Corner.